In this video, I will be explaining how to obtain the solution for a given problem and how to post-process the results. Once the FE data file is saved, pick on Solution, Solve, Current Load Step. Solve Current Load Step window is now open. Pick on OK to begin the solution. Under the Note window, read the message "The solution is done." Pick on this window and close it, and close the status. To post-process the desired result, pick on General Post Processor, Plot Results, Contour Plot, Nodal Solution. Pick on the DOF solution for the deformation in XYZ direction or the resultant displacement. In this case, we are interested in X component displacement. Pick on OK. Pick on Plot, Replot. Note the deflection to be UX and the displacement is this particular value. This is the magnitude of displacement. This is called as the contour. Pick on Plot Control. In Style, pick on the Edge options and use the element outline for non-contour contour plots as edge only. Pick on OK. Pick on Plot, Replot to plot the elements. To read the stress value, pick on Plot Results, Contour Plot, Nodal Solution. Pick on the stress and pick on the von Mises stress or the first principal stress or the second or the third principal stresses as per the requirement. This is the magnitude of stress and the location of the stress is here with its contour, and the minimum stress can be observed in this location, and this is the stress distribution contour. Pick on the plot results, contour plot, nodal solution for the plastic strain present. Pick on the plastic strain. Pick on von Mises plastic strain. Pick on OK. There is some warning message. Just ignore this. To know what is the elastic strain present, pick on the nodal solution. Under the strain, that is elastic strain, pick on the von Mises elastic strain. Pick on OK. This is the magnitude of elastic strain which is present in the model. Right click, press hold and replot.